as you can see, the guy before me siliconed literally everything in here. So he did all over. You can tell this, I don't know how we're gonna fix this one, but it's starting to fall off. He siliconed that on, siliconed over here, siliconed this whole crack, and then can't really, I mean, you might be able to see it a little bit, but like right in the middle there's a crack, and then there's like a matching one on the other side. So we're gonna see if we can get this thing looking pretty. What do you think?
Can't wait.
So now what Jordan's gonna do is we cleaned up one of these that had the silicone in it. We're just gonna have to Dremel it out, and then we're gonna try and, you know, fill it with this, and hopefully it'll help. And then if it works on this one, we're gonna start repairing other cracks like these, and they're all over the place. So fingers crossed this thing works. And what are we doing now?
Drilling holes.
What for?
To burn yourself. So it stops the spread of the crack.
Okay. Beauteous.
I mean, it looks just as bad as the silicone did, honestly. It's just black instead of clear.
Silicone. Or a little patch job. This is coming off though too.
That just needs to come off and stay off. That shouldn't even be silicone.
Yep. So this is after it's been sanded. It's pretty smooth. Doesn't look great, but it's pretty smooth.
We'll paint it one day.
And if you remember from earlier in the video, there were some cracks here and one on the other end. We filled them, but they're really hard to get to with a sander or any sort of sanding anything, but it stopped the water from coming into the box. So Jordan says he did it.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.